Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna get started with backend development. If you have ever wondered how websites and web applications work behind the scenes, you are in the right place. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your coding skills, this video will give you a solid introduction to backend development. So let's get started. Let's first discuss what backend development is all about. In simple terms, the backend is the brain of a website or web application. It is responsible for handling data, processing requests, and managing the server-side logic. Here is a simple demonstration of a client-server architecture. This is how the internet works in general. The front end is the user side of things. This is the part the user sees. The backend is our server and the database is where the data of our application is stored. Now, for example, when you open up Facebook in your browser or in your phone, then the front end of Facebook in your phone sends a request to their backend. Then the backend handles the logic for fetching the post from their database, and then it sends those posts back to the front end as a response. Of course, it does a lot of things to the data before sending, but this is the gist of it. Now, what is an API or an application programming interface? APIs act as a gateway that allows our front end to communicate with our backend. They are also referred to as tools provided by an application. As an example, take a look at this API which I made some time ago. It has different links here which are called endpoints. You can also call them tools provided by this API. Or even simpler, you can think of these as different types of sockets which provide you with power once you plug them in. Now there are a lot of options when it comes to the types of APIs, and REST, SOAP, and GraphQL are some types. As REST is the most used type of API and easy to get started, in this series we will focus on it. Now let us discuss how you can make your own backend. First, you will need to learn a programming language to build a server. Some great programming languages you can use for building servers are Python and JavaScript. They are both beginner friendly, and both languages provide great support and features that support us in making our servers. REST APIs consist of different types of endpoints which are get, post, put, patch, and delete. Each of these types provide a different type of functionality, and in the upcoming lectures we will make these endpoints individually. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to backend development. There wasn't much coding in this video as I thought some basic understanding is required about how the internet works. Remember, backend development is a crucial part of creating powerful and dynamic web applications. In the next lecture, we will see how we can create our own server from scratch. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you didn't like the video, leave a dislike. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I will talk to you in the next one.